The next point is difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. So traditional commerce basically focuses on exchange of products and services through personal interactions. Means every time for purchasing and selling, that physical interaction must be happen between buyer and seller. Then only that specific tasks will be get happen. So it is called as what manual process. So means every time if we have to purchase or sell anything, so personally we are communicate with other people, then only that traditional commerce will be get done. Then what is e-commerce? E-commerce trading activities are online via internet and can be considered as automatic. Means no need to be physically meet to any person, seller or buyer. Just visit that website and automatically that specific order get delivered at our home. So it is called as automatic process. Then second point is what? Traditional commerce is limited to business hours mostly during day. Means ट्रेडिशनल कॉमर्स में लिमिटेशन रहता है, टाइमिंग लिमिटेशन, कि ओनली डे आवर्स में ही वो जो स्पेसिफिक शॉप्स रहते हैं वो ओपन रहते हैं. बट इन केस ऑफ ई कॉमर्स एज इंटरनेट 24/7 आवर हम एक्सेस करते हैं. Like that, we can access our e-commerce website 24/7 hour, as well as we can give an order at night time also. Then third difference is what? As far as consumer interactions are concerned, traditional commerce provides face-to-face interaction. Means हमें कुछ भी buy करना है, sell करना है, so buyer and seller must be communicate with each other face-to-face interaction. Okay. But in case of e-commerce, there is no any face-to-face interactions. Means it is also called as a screen-to-face interaction. Means we are using a computer screen or mobile screen for giving the order as per our choice from any website distributor site. Means हमें वो specific distributor है, cloth distributor और any grocery distributor, उसे खुद जाके मिलना नहीं पड़ता है. बाय डिफॉल्ट वो जो वेब सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है वो सब मैनेज करता है. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ट्रेडिशनल कॉमर्स इज लिमिटेड टू अ पर्टिकुलर जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन. मीन्स हमें जितना पॉसिबल है उसी लोकेशन को हम विजिट कर सकते हैं फिजिकली. सो हमें कुछ परचेस करना है तो जो लोकेशन हमारे नजदीक है वही हम विजिट करते हैं. बट इन केस ऑफ ई कॉमर्स, as in e-commerce is spread throughout all over the global, so there is no any physical limitation. Means हम क्या करते हैं, जस्ट वेबसाइट को विजिट करके कौन से भी देश का कौन सा भी प्रोडक्ट हम बाय करते हैं. सो it doesn't have any physical limitation. The next point of is what? Modes of payment in a traditional commerce includes cash, checks and credit cards, because that task is happened by using face-to-face interaction. But in case of e-commerce, all the operations are happened electronic way. So basically money transaction is happened in electronic way, that is bank transfer, credit card, e-wallet, mobile payment, and also more and more options are available. The next point, goods and delivery of services is an instant with a traditional commerce. Means देखो यहाँ पे instant services मिलती है. Means हमें कुछ अगर बाय करना हो तो हम इंस्टेंटली शॉप पे जाते हैं, प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट करते हैं, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी पे करते हैं और उसी वक्त वो प्रोडक्ट हमारे हाथ में मिल जाता है. बट इन केस ऑफ ई कॉमर्स, डिलीवरी ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टेक्स सम टाइम. मीन्स हमें पता नहीं रहता है कि वो सर्विस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कहाँ पे है. हम सिर्फ ऑर्डर करते हैं और हमारे होम टाउन लोकेशन के हिसाब से वो सर्विस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हमें सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है. इट मे रिक्वायर 1 डे, 2 डे, 3 डे. मीन्स हम जैसे ही ऑर्डर करते हैं उसी वक्त हमें वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिलता है. सो इट इज अ नॉट इंस्टेंट प्रोसेस. एंड लास्ट पॉइंट is what? Last difference, traditional commerce scope is local. Local means एक तो physical और geographical limitation रहता है, और उस शॉप में हम किसी भी शॉप को विजिट करते हैं, उस शॉप में जितने भी नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट है उसी प्रोडक्ट में से हमें प्रोडक्ट परचेस करने पड़ते हैं. वी डोंट हैव अदर ऑप्शन. बट इन केस ऑफ ई कॉमर्स, as that specific web distributor contain number of service providers, so according to our choice we can select any brand, any color of any product. So it's like what? Scope is global. Okay, these are some differences of traditional commerce and e-commerce. Means traditional commerce is manual, e-commerce is automatic. Then in traditional commerce, face-to-face interaction, e-commerce, face-to-screen interaction. In traditional commerce, there is a limitation for means only during daytime we can visit, but in case of e-commerce, it is available for 24/7 hours. Then in traditional commerce, we can do in money transaction by using cash method, check method, or credit card method. But in case of e-commerce, we have to perform all the money transactions by using bank transfer, credit card, e-wallet, and mobile payment. Like there are many options are available in case of e-commerce. Then scope of a traditional commerce is limited for what? According to geographical location. But in case of e-commerce, scope is what? Global. Then in traditional commerce, it is an instant process, but in case of e-commerce, it required lot of time for deliver our product at our home.